I watch a lot of trailers. I watch them because A, I love trailers. B, I'm learning from this industry. It's the whole purpose of why I created this Behind the Trailer channel. But what is it about trailers that really make it stand out? As I've watched many trailers, there's something that I like to call the North Star moment. And not every trailer actually has this moment, and then some trailers have many moments that I consider this North Star moment. And what it is this. After I've watched a trailer, I think to myself, what is it about that trailer that I remember the most? One moment that sticks out to me beyond the rest. That to me is the North Star moment. It shines the brightest, and it's these moments that I feel like as an editor that I learn from the most. When you're cutting a trailer, if you can just make sure that at least one moment of that trailer is a North Star moment, that in my opinion is what separates a good trailer from a great trailer. So in the past couple weeks, all the trailers that I've watched, there are 3 specific ones that had very distinct North Star moments for me personally that stood out. The first one is the trailer 2 for the 28 Years Later, The Bone Temple. I absolutely, as a fan of horror, love this trailer. And I know what the editor was up against, having such a successful, memorable trailer and campaign for the first movie of 28 Years Later. So how do you, just months later, release another trailer that stands on its own, that feels different and fresh and gives the audience members a reason to want to go see this? For me specifically, the North Star moment of this trailer is in the back half when you hear the sound of the zombies. It's like a grunt breathing sound, and it's almost tied to the rhythm.
When the infected attack, what do they see?
And the first time you hear it, it's such a unique sound that it made me like stop and listen. And then the editor used it as like a rhythmic grid.
I believe the infection can be treated.
What a great element to use throughout the rest of the piece. And so this trailer now stands in my mind of this sound. I want to find sounds like this in trailers that I'm working on that can stand on its own and create a unique element to a trailer that no other movie has. The second trailer I want to talk about is The Boys Season 5 trailer that just came out. An amazing piece cut by a colleague of mine who I'm continually impressed by the work that he does. He's grown so much as an editor. The North Star moment of this trailer for me is in the back half when you first see Homelander lift his fist up.
A reckoning is coming.
What makes this so great are the different cuts that the editor used to match cut from the punched. Also using that as a grid in the back, rhythmically. I just thought that was such a visually striking shot to use. That really stood out to me in that entire trailer, him punching whoever that was. And then the last one I want to talk about is the first trailer for Ready or Not Part 2. This first half of this trailer was the North Star for me. I just love the setup.
Hide and seek? You're really gonna play that?
But the North Star moment for me was the hospital bed beeping.
Thank God it's over.
And it gets faster and faster as tension escalates as we learn of the new stakes of this movie.
You've caused quite a stir, Mrs. Ladomas.
I thought editorially that was crafted in such a clean way.
You married into that family. Now they're dead. What you didn't know is that this goes far beyond them. By surviving hide and seek, you've triggered a new game.
The first half of that trailer really, really stands out to me.
The game begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you're you're trying to get into this business or just learning how to cut trailers, I encourage you to find moments in trailers that are North Star moments for you, learn from them and mimic them, learn how to do them. And then when you're cutting your own piece, try and create a North Star moment for yourself and see what happens.